In modern banking, we worship the model. We trust its math. We defend its validation. We build strategy around its output. But every model carries a hidden variable, a breaking point. Failure isn't gradual. It doesn't announce itself politely. It snaps. 1 minute, your VAR says you're protected. The next, the market moves into a regime your model has never seen. Most risk models are built on a quiet assumption. Tomorrow will resemble yesterday. But systemic crises do not drift. They jump. In a digital market, correlation does not increase. It converges to 1. Diversification disappears. Liquidity evaporates. Everything moves together. And here is the deeper problem: complexity illusion. When you need a PhD to explain your model, you don't have transparency. You have opacity. And opacity breaks suddenly. Now we add the 2026 accelerant: autonomous trading agents. They are trained on similar data. They optimize similar signals. They react in microseconds. When stress appears, they do not hesitate. They execute. This is recursive reinforcement. The models stop reacting to fundamentals. They react to each other. The break occurs when the agentic feedback loop moves faster than governance. The risk committee debates. The algorithm liquidates. So how do institutions survive the snap? Stop asking what could happen. Ask what would kill us today. Then build controls backward from failure. Risk is not just statistical. It is behavioral. Models map probabilities. Humans create contagion. This is why Basel IV introduced the output floor. It is not elegant. It is not optimized. It is structural. When internal models fracture, you need something simple that does not. Models do not prevent collapse. They estimate exposure. The model will fail. That is not the risk. The risk is believing it won't.